Hey everyone, I'm going to talk about subtraction on an open number line. I'm going to do 4 questions. The first 3 will involve subtracting from the bigger number as if it was a takeaway question. The last question will actually be starting with the smaller number and adding up, because subtraction does not always mean takeaway. It actually means finding the difference. And I'll explain that again when I get to that question. Okay, so first question, I'm going to draw my open number line. And the amazing thing about an open number line strategy is that you can do it any way you want. You can all arrive at the same answer and everyone can do it a different way. So first question will be something like 15 subtract 6. So I'm going to start with the largest number here, 15, and I have to make it all the way down to 6. I have to subtract 6. So first I could do a jump of 5, because I know that 15 subtract 5 would give me 10, and that used most of my 6 that I have to take away. I've used 5 of them, so I have 1 more left. I'm going to jump back 1 more spot to 9. My answer is 9. Okay, I could have done that multiple different ways, but for the purpose of this video, I'm going to try and keep it kind of quick. So that's one way you could do it, that type of question. So now the next question will be double digit subtract double digit. So let's say we have the number 87 subtract 28. Okay. So I'm going to start at 87. But before I start, I'm going to say this question, if we didn't use an open number line, would involve a regrouping. But with an open number line, we can do regrouping questions quite easily and not have to really worry about that regrouping for now. So I started at 87 and I'm going to go back 28 spots. So how about I jump back 10? I know most of you are probably really good at skip counting by tens forwards and backwards from any number. So I'm going to start at 87, count back 10. Well, that would be 77. Okay, so I use 10 of my 28. I'm going to go again. Subtract 10. That would take me to 67. So I use 20 of it. Now I have to subtract my 8. Okay, and I can do that in jumps of 1 or jumps of 2 or however I want to. So for this one, I'll show you jumps of 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, each one is subtract 1. So minus 1, 8 times, and that would have been 66, 65, 64, 63, 62, 61, 60, 59. My answer is 59. Okay. Now I'm going to move on to the triple digit subtract double digit. That's typically for grade 3 students. Grade 2s are responsible for double digit, subtract double digit. All right, so if I had 352 subtract 48. All right, again, I'll start at 352 and I'm going to subtract backwards. So I know that I could actually subtract the 40 right from the 50 and leave me with 10 left of the 50, which would mean 312. Or I could jump back by groups of 10s. I could jump back by 2 groups of 20. There's multiple ways to do this, and that's okay. But first I'm going to do the big jump of 40. So subtract 40, and that leaves me with 312. Okay, I could have done my jumps of 10, like I said, or jumps of 20. One that you can do, because you'll still get the right answer, but it's not efficient at all, would be jumping back by ones. Counting back by ones it will work, but it is it will take you a long time, and it's very easy to make mistakes during that. All right, so I jumped back to my 40. Now I have 8 more to go. So what I'm going to do is kind of break it up. I'm going to jump back 2. That will give me 310. And I have 6 left. So if I jump back 6, I know I'm left with 304, because 4 and 6 make that 10. And I used the 8 by 6 and 2, so I just broke my 8 apart when I subtracted it. Okay, so my last question for this video, I'm going to show it by starting with the smaller number and working up to the larger number. I've had some requests for this video, so that's why I'm doing this strategy also. So if I have the question 300, I already used 300, let's make a different number. 407, subtract 71. I'm going to start at the 71. And I'm going to make jumps up to 407, because subtraction does not only mean takeaway, it means finding the difference. So the difference between this number, this number and this number will be my answer. So I'm starting here, I'm going to make a jump of 100. That will take me to 171. I'm not there yet, I have to keep going. Another jump of 100. That'll take me to 271. Getting closer, not there. Another jump of 100. 371. Okay, I'm getting pretty close now. So now I can't do another jump of 100, or I'll go above the question, above the total that I want. So I'm going to make a jump of 30, because I know that 70 plus 30 would make the next 100. So that will give me a jump of 30, will give me 401. From 401, I have to get to 7. I know that's 6 more. So I'm going to make a jump of 6, and that will give me my answer, 407 there. Sorry, not my answer, that'll give me my stop point. To get the answer, I have to add my jumps. So that would be 100, I'll do it above here, 100 plus 100 plus 100 plus 30 plus 6. Well, 100, 200, 300, 36. That would be my answer, 336. Again, the reason why I showed you this strategy also is because another teacher requested this strategy, well, both of these strategies. So that's why they're both in this video. All right, have a great day. I hope this helps. If it doesn't, please reach out to me and I'll try my best to clarify it for you. Have a great day and stay safe.